Hey everyone, welcome to Learn.YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn about installing latest Tailwind version 2 in Laravel framework. Before we get started, make sure you follow step by step. If you are not, then you get some error when you compile your assets. Tailwind 2.0 support PostCSS 8, and at this moment Laravel does not support PostCSS 8. So, make sure you watch this video full. If you don't understand, just comment below. Let's get started. Here I am using fresh Laravel project. You can use both fresh Laravel or existing Laravel project to upgrade Tailwind CSS. If you are going to upgrade Tailwind CSS from old version, then just edit those files, which file are modifying during installing Tailwind. Open Tailwind CSS website. If you directly install via npm install Tailwind CSS command in your terminal, then you get error. Go to documentation. Go to installation section. Install Tailwind via npm. If you're using this command to install Tailwind, you get error like this, PostCSS 8 error. In this case, we install the Postcss7 compatibility build. Postcss7 compatibility build. As of v2.0, Tailwind CSS depends on PostCSS 8. Because PostCSS 8 is only a few months old, many other tools in the ecosystem haven't updated yet, which means you might see an error like this in your terminal after installing Tailwind and trying to compile your CSS. So, Laravel does not support PostCSS version 8 at this moment. Okay, let's now install via this command. Copy this command. Open your Laravel project in your code editor. Here I am using VS Code Editor. Open terminal window. Before installing, I am run npm install command to generate npm module. You can run it later. Install finish. Then paste Tailwind command and hit enter. Open Package.json file. Installing finish. Here you can see auto prefixer, PostCSS and Tailwind CSS with Postcss Compact 7 build. If you are upgrading Tailwind CSS, then just write like this in your Package.json file and run command npm install to update these files. Next, we have to include Tailwind to our CSS. Open app.css files. Just inject Tailwind's base, components, and utility styles like this. Now we need a Tailwind config files to purge our views blade file to reduce unused, unnecessary CSS. You can create one using same name or you can write command to generate. In terminal window write npx tailwind css init then hit enter. Created successfully. Open this file and edit like this. Then save and close. Now open Webpack.mix.js file. Edit here like this. Require Tailwind CSS require auto prefixer. Then save and close. Now run command npm install. Then npm run dev. Compiled successfully. Let's use Tailwind CSS and Laravel Blade template. Add Tailwind CSS file and head section. Let's Z development purge CSS and compare CSS file size. Thank you for watching.